Good morning everyone, this is Shivangi ma'am here. I'm here to take class of Standard 2 SST Chapter 2. I hope the question answer work and word meaning work I provided previously of Chapter 1, you all have completed that. Complete your work on time. When school will resume, I will check it out. Okay? So let's get started with the chapter. The chapter name is We Need Water. So the very first page of this chapter, page number 14, one question is given that tick the animals that live in water. So you have to tick the animals that live in water. Okay. The first one is elephant. Does elephant live in water? No. Elephant lives on land. So here you will do cross. Okay. Now second one is octopus. Then octopus is an aquatic animal and it lives inside the water. Octopus has 8 legs and it lives inside the water. Fish live inside the water. Starfish also lives inside the water. So accordingly you will complete all the blank spaces. Okay. Now here it is given, people, plants and animals need water to live. There can be no life without water. We all know that water is very essential for us. People, like every living beings need water to live. पानी हमारे लिए बहुत ही essential है. We all need water to live. Okay. Now what are the uses of water? We have many uses of water. This is a very easy question, I think, for everyone. Like, we use water for drinking, washing clothes, bathing, cooking, cleaning, paintbrush or whatever. Most water helps us in many works, like पानी पीने के लिए, to wash clothes, bathing and so on. Water helps us in many works. Okay, where do we get water from? So now question comes, from where do we get water? So the main source of water is rainwater. The very main source of water is rain. Okay, water falls on earth as rain. So when rain comes, that rainwater falls on earth and it goes inside the earth. Rainwater also collects in ponds, lakes, streams, rivers, seas and oceans. These all are known as the water bodies which exist on earth. अर्थ पे जितनी भी वाटर बॉडीज हैं ये उनके नाम हैं, जैसे ponds, lakes, streams, rivers and oceans. Okay, rainwater also gets collected in these water bodies. Okay, now river. The snow on the mountains melts in summer. This water flows down as streams. Many streams join to form a river. So the snow which is on mountain पे जो snow है, बर्फ है, that melts and come down to the it melts in summer. This water flows down as streams. Streams is known as channels. वो एक channel के through सारे mountains से this water comes down and many streams join together as river. Okay. Now sea and ocean. A sea is a large body of water. Many river flows into the sea. Now after river, sea comes, and sea is a large body of water and many rivers comes and forms the sea. Big seas are called oceans. The ocean is the largest water body. Big seas, big water body means big seas are known as the ocean. The water in seas and ocean is salty. We cannot drink this water. The water present in sea and the ocean, they are mostly salty. We cannot drink this water because if we will drink this water, we will become ill or either we can die. We could die. So we cannot drink we cannot drink seas or oceans water. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Waterfall. When water falls from a great height, a waterfall is formed. So when the water falls from a great height, okay, जब पानी great height बहुत ही ऊंचे से गिरता है, that is called waterfall. The waterfall is formed. Here you can see in the picture also The waterfall means when water falls from a great height. Okay. Now well. Water is also found under the ground. We dig wells to get this water. Water is also present under the ground. अंडर द ग्राउंड के अंदर भी पानी है एंड वी गेट दिस वाटर बाय डिगिंग द सॉइल, खोद कर, सॉइल को खोद कर वी गेट दैट वाटर एंड वी कॉल इट वेल. ओके, यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर ऑल्सो. एंड वाटर इन आवर होम्स. Water from ponds, lakes and river may not be clean. So this water is clean and then supplied to our homes. We use water from these water bodies, and mostly these water bodies are not clean. So when we use it, before it get cleaned and then come to our houses. So this water is first clean and then transferred to our houses. Okay, for our personal use. We must boil or filter water before drinking it. So we should first boil or filter the water we drink, because boiling water kill all the germs present in water, or filtering, boiling or filtering, it kills and removes all the germs from the water and it makes ready to drink. Okay, saving water. We must not waste water. Read how these children save water. Water is very essential for our life, and there is very less amount of water present which we can use. A lot of like as we know that 3/4 part of the earth is covered with water, but we cannot use that all. We have very less amount of water for our use, so we should not waste it. हमें उसे waste नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay, like how you can save water. Like the boy is saying, I take only as much as water as I can drink. So you should also take only that much water which you can use. Do not take too much and throw it in the sink. So take only that much which you can drink. I turn off the tap while I brush my teeth. So while you brush your teeth, kindly you should turn off the tap so water should not get wasted. I take a short bath. You should also take only that much water which is sufficient to clean your body. Okay, so use less water or do not waste water at all. Okay, thank you class. Here your chapter is completed. The word meaning and question answer work I'll provide you through WhatsApp group. Stay home, stay safe.